Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE1900 is a versatile dual-function sewing and embroidery machine that comes preloaded with 138 designs, 11 fonts, and 240 built-in stitches to choose from. In addition, you can upload your own designs through the included USB port to customize your embroidery project. The machine can be fully controlled through the 3.2-inch LCD display, where you can preview, combine, and modify designs, operate the machine itself, and even view step-by-step tutorials and guides. This sewing and embroidery machine also features an automatic needle threader to save time and frustration, a 5-inch by 7-inch hoop area for large lettering and designs, and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The SE1900 also includes 8 different sewing feet to make sure you get the most out of all of the various included stitches. From one of the top brand names in sewing, the Brother SE1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is hard to beat at the price point. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bernette B79 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Bernette 79 is a combination sewing and embroidery machine geared toward makers who create their own designs. Like most embroidery machines, it comes preloaded with 208 embroidery designs and 7 fonts, as well as hundreds of stitches. However, each purchase includes the Bernette Toolbox software, where you can download hundreds of more designs, fonts, and stitches from their cloud, customize those, or design and upload your very own unique embroidery motif. And the potential embroidery area is massive at nearly 6 by 10 inches. To help stay in control of small areas, the machine includes 3 embroidery hoops of different sizes. This embroidery machine has a semi-automatic needle threader to take the frustration out of getting set up. The knee lever to control the presser foot height gives you maximum control without tying up your hands. A dual feed system keeps the fabric moving through the machine smoothly and evenly, so that designs turn out exactly as you expect. The controls are intuitive, with multifunction knobs and a large 5-inch color touchscreen display. At number 3, we have the Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. If you're looking for an affordable, quality dual-function sewing and embroidery machine, then the Brother SE600 is one to consider. At less than $500, this machine has everything that you need to get started with your embroidery projects. First and foremost, it comes preloaded with 80 designs, 6 embroidery fonts, and 103 stitches, which you can customize and arrange on the 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen. Or you can import your own designs via a USB port. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area, with an included 4x4 embroidery hoop, gives plenty of room for most projects. Embroider shirts, wipes, towels, quilts, and handbags with ease. At number 2, we have the Genome Horizon Memory Craft 9850 Embroidery. The Genome Horizon Memory Craft 9850 is a combo sewing and embroidery machine great for either at-home or professional use. It comes preloaded with 175 embroidery designs and 200 different types of stitches. If none of the designs included are to your liking, then it's easy enough to upload your own design to the machine through a USB port. The large, full-color LCD screen allows you to control the machine as well as customize and preview your designs before embroidering. This machine also features numerous ease-of-use functions. Conveniently placed controls near the needle allow you to start and stop sewing, lock the stitch, reverse, and adjust the needle up and down. The one-hand needle threader takes away the most painstaking part of threading the machine, getting the thread through the tiny eye of that needle. And finally at number 1, we have the Genome Memory Craft 14,000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. If money is no object, then the Genome Memory Craft 14,000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is one of the best available on the market. This versatile machine comes with 350 built-in designs, 11 fonts, 400 stitches, and 2 and 3 letters monogramming. And of course you can customize or load in your own designs via the massive 7-inch touchscreen LCD display, which gives full control over your designs and your machine. The Genome 14,000 includes all of the features that you would expect from a top-tier product: quick access buttons, automatic bobbin winding, a dual feed system to control the fabric, an automatic needle threader, and a retractable magnifier. However, 2 features may do the most to set this machine apart. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.